to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using this fall stamping plate from Maniology. I got this in my haul video. This stamp is M333 and this one is called Autumn Furries. I do already have a base layer on my nails. I painted pistachio on the ring and the thumb, and I did boogie nights on the rest of the nails. I did 2 coats, and then once that dried, I applied a gel top coat. So starting off, I want to use this plaid print. I think this is so cute, so I'm using the boogie nights to pick up the image. I just apply a generous amount over the image, scrape it, and then I kind of roll it over the image to pick it up. And then I find the placement and press down. When cleaning your plate off, you do want to make sure that you're using 100% acetone. I don't have the cute little, like the cotton ball picker, so I just use some tweezers and it works just fine. And now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process and do this for my ring nail. Once that polish has dried, I am going to go in with a gel top coat and cure that for 30 seconds. And I did that with, again, the ring and the thumbnail. And then once that's cured, I take a paper towel with some acetone and I clean off the excess polish. I learned that trick from Sandra's sparkly sets, so it works amazing. So now I'm gonna take this color called Acorn and I'm gonna pick up this image here. It says, I love fall most of all. The love is a heart, so I did reverse stamp that, I guess, with some of that Toko Toucan polish. And I just filled in the heart and then put it on my nail. And that one I put on the middle finger. So moving on to the other nails, I'm picking up this image using the shade Acorn. It's a dark brown polish. And then I used my stamper and I'm gonna reverse stamp some of the images, like those pumpkins. I colored those in with the orange, which is, oh, I can't remember it. I've been using it like crazy too. I'll have it all linked down below for you guys, but I just color in those images with the various polishes. And then once I'm done with that, I go ahead and place that on my pinky, and then I did another one for my pointer. And I do apologize, for some reason today I was out of frame for the majority of this video, but I really liked how this set came out, so I wanted to still post the video. And then once I was finished placing that image on my nail, I gave it a few seconds to dry and then I applied a gel top coat also. Because I am working with acetone still, I didn't want to take the risk messing up any of the other images. So once I was finished each nail, I gave it a few seconds to dry and then I added a gel top coat. I pretty much used the shade Acorn for the majority of the stamping, just because it is a dark color, but it's brown. So I did this image here, which is a deer, and I put that on my ring nail, and I did some reverse stamping. I used the boogie nights, and then I mixed the boogie nights and the acorn to lighten up the brown a little bit to fill in the rest of the deer. I do have a discount code with Maniology if you guys are interested. It is Nail by Chris. I will have it linked down below for you guys. You don't have to, but I appreciate it if you do. So thank you if you do. And I do think it's the perfect time because they do have a lot of like new polishes and plates coming out that are so cute for like the fall and Halloween. And then for my thumbnail, I did go ahead and do reverse stamping on this fox, and I believe that's Toko Toucan, and then I used the boogie nights to fill in the rest of the face and the tail. He is a little crooked, but he is still cute. And then at the top of the nail I added Hello Autumn, and then at the bottom of the nail on my middle nail I did an owl. So this is how the set turned out. I really like it. I'm really having fun stamping. I have a bunch more ideas in mind, so I hope you guys are ready for some stamping videos. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to use my discount code if you shop with Maniology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.